Hey guys, and welcome to another RYOutfitters First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out the FeetUP Trainer. FeetUP makes an inversion trainer designed to experience inversions safely without putting any extra pressure on your neck or head or shoulders or back or spine. I'm sure you've seen a ton of really high-level yoga instructors or yoga videos where people are, balancing on their head or doing these like insane inverted movements where their feet are in the air and their head is down. Well, this is the thing that gives you the safety and stability while you are practicing your balance, you're building your strength, and you are just getting acclimated to being in that position. Being upside down is not a natural movement, so it's safe to say that there does need to be some kind of easing into it. I mean, you wouldn't just jump into doing backflips. There's a progression. I mean, your neck, your head, your shoulders, your spine, it's kind of important parts of your body. So you don't just want to shock the system. That doesn't make sense. The FeetUP Trainer does though, if you want to do inverted movements or practice and get better at yoga. All joking aside, the FeetUP Trainer will help you master inversion movements in yoga and just headstands, handstands, things of that nature in a safe and supported way, while giving you the proper alignment and comfort while you get used to being in that position. And of course, this will all lead up to giving you a better sense of body awareness and control. Plus, it's a great way to shake things up in your normal routine that you wouldn't, regularly do. It's a little bit more interesting than downward dog and cobra, Shake things up. This ain't no child's pose. The FeetUP Trainer is built with an all wooden frame and faux vegan leather. Both of them are available in multiple colors. All the materials used in the FeetUP Trainer are vegan and environmentally sustainable. That is a point that is very dear to them. Near as well, near and dear you might say. The FeetUP Trainer also comes with this Asana support poster. It has over 100 unique exercises to give you a little bit of motivation and inspiration in your daily practice. The moves are intuitive and pretty incredible to go off of, and it really does give you a great perspective and some instruction on how to actually use the FeetUP in ways that you probably wouldn't have realized. It can be used outside of just inversion movements. FeetUP also comes with a practitioner's manual, so you get a little bit more information on how to use your FeetUP, a little bit of a crash course, if you will. And everything you need, materials, tools to assemble the FeetUP actually come with the product. It's super easy to assemble and you can put it together in just about 5 minutes. No extra tools needed. You can also get some extra guidance with FeetUP's companion app. The training app helps give you direction from some high quality trainers every week. Getting extra help or a nudge in the right direction is incredible, and it's also super useful for setting goals and just staying focused on what you want to work on. Either way, if you're looking to add on to your daily yoga practice, shake things up a bit, get upside down just because you want to give it a shot, actually do want to work on some high level yoga moves or anything like that, definitely check out the FeetUP Trainer. That's it for our first look of the FeetUP Trainer. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're ready to get upside down, shake things up. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification. Stay tuned for another RYOutfitters First Look coming at you next week.